The IRS uses your adjusted gross income, or AGI, from last year's tax return to verify your identity when you e-file. We'll transfer your AGI automatically when you file with the same TurboTax account you used last year. You can also find your AGI on last year's tax return. You'll need the original return you filed, not your amended return. You'll find your AGI on line 11 of your 1040. If you can't find your return from last year, you can request a free tax return transcript from the IRS using their Get Your Tax Record tool. Visit irs.gov, select Get Your Tax Records and Transcripts on the homepage, and follow the instructions. You can also search Tax Transcript in the search bar. Once you get your transcript, enter the amount from the line called Adjusted Gross Income. If you still can't verify last year's AGI for e-filing, you can always print your tax return and mail it to the IRS. For more answers to your questions, visit turbotax.com/support.